Do anyone recognize the beach? Yes, it's the beach outside Auckland, New Zealand once again. I recently made 2 videos about John Bailey, and he have published some more rubbish. Let's have a look at it. This is a short video he calls Drinking and Driving Toot Toot. I don't get it. Oh, let's stop here. Okay, I hope we will have a closer look on this ship. Let's zoom in on it. A big part of the boat is missing. I hope he will explain that. No, it's something with this ship. Okay, a sail is lying on the deck. He have problem with the focus and holding the camera stable. And then we're looking at the horizon. Okay, and there we have a ship. Will you focus on that one? Looks normal to me. And now we're at the end of the video, and I didn't understand anything at all. He did manage to show a clear globe proof, but he didn't understand that he did it. Oh dear. On to the next video. This one he calls right on the top edge of the curvature, LOL. It's very short. I will play the whole video first and then I will have a look at something that I found in the end of the video. Some ships. Let's have a look at that. As usual, we have no distances or anything to go on, but we know which beach he is on. It's the same one as in my last videos. It's located here on this chart. And the ships are closer to those islands than this island. Let's have a look at the chart again. He is here. The islands to the right are those, and up here in the corner is the island to the left in the image. And this is the fairway to Auckland, so this is where all the big ships sails. And he sees the ship roughly in this direction. So they are located somewhere here, the ships. Let's measure to this position. So the ships are at most 7 nautical miles away, and the small boat is much closer. So that was not in any way, shape or form a proof for a flat earth. But can I be sure about their position? Let's zoom in on a part on this chart. Pit Bravo and Pit Alpha are places where ships have to wait on the pilot, and they are marked with the buoys in the fairway. And on here you have a buoy called A. It's a red buoy. That means that you have to have it on your port side on your way into Auckland, and it's have a red light. But can I prove that ships are following the fairway? When ships are going into harbor, they always follow the fairway because that's a safe passage to the harbor. And big ships must have a pilot on board, and he would always navigate in the fairway. Here you have a route from a passenger ferry that have been going in and out from Auckland. It was following the fairway. Was this ferry, and down here you see the 3 buoys I was mentioning. Here you have a container ship in the harbor of Auckland. Let's see if this ship did follow the fairway into Auckland. Of course it did. And we have the traces from the pilots going out to meet up ships. The reason that you can see the boys at Marine Traffics and other websites is that they are broadcasting ISS signals. Here you have the red buoy that I mentioned earlier, the buoy A. Let's look at one last video from John Bailey, curvebuster. He calls this video 16.6 feet of imaginary curve missing. He have published several videos before that I have debunked where he have filmed this lighthouse from this location. Let's use advanced curve calculator again. About half a meter would be hidden with normal refraction, and this is how the lighthouse looks close up. So once again I have shown that John Bailey, so-called curvebuster, don't look at any facts at all. He don't measure distances. He don't use maps or charts to check facts. So, one more debunk completed. The situation in Ukraine is hard for the troops. They don't have enough ammunition and they are hit quite hard by Russian drones. So they are in desperate need of drones. If you want to help buying kamikaze drones, please use PayPal. And big thank you to all helping me helping Ukraine. This was a quick video and a quite easy debunk. I will be back after the weekend. Have a lovely weekend. See you soon. Bye.